Hi, my name is Irfan and I'll be demonstrating how to build and run FreeNOS on Ubuntu. So I have Ubuntu loaded up on VirtualBox. The first step is to get the development source code, the latest version from GitHub, using this link that I already have pasted. Once that's done, we can change directories into the folder and build it using sconce for all the default settings, and this will take a little while to finish. Once that's finished, we can run it using QEMU, which is essentially nested virtualization. There are also auto testers you can test. I'm just going to go ahead and start it. Now we're in. So we can test a couple commands such as ps, shows all the processes, sysinfo. This is the FreeNOS OS. Thank you for listening.